Scientific study of RIGVEDA, class 64. Today we are going through the mantra 27 of Mandal 1. Here the Sooktha is 9 to 13. Here also the Devata is in Agni or earth. Here also he is saying something about the importance of our of Agni, which is essentially all fields of life for the progress of our nation and so. So let us go through the ninth mantra and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 27-9 സവാജം വിശ്വചർഷണിർ വദ്ഭിരസ്തു തരുദാ വിപ്രേഭിരസ്തു സനിദാ.
Says Agni is the lord of all human beings, because without Agni no prosperity is possible. We are depending on Agni. We are depending on energy. Without energy, we cannot even live, move our lives. It says, with the help of Ashwa. Ashwa was force. Ashwa means force, force power. Force power. So, based on force, gives success in our battle. We are winning based on our force, based on the force we are using against our enemy. It gives us wealth based on Gnana. Gnana means knowledge. With the basic support of knowledge, and by using based on knowledge, we should use Agni and other devatas, our material, to make it to new products by which we can prosper. We will get money. Now let us go through the 10th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 27-10 ജരാബോധ തത് വിവിഡ്ഢി വിശേയജ്ഞിയായ സ്തോമം രുദ്രായ ദൃശീകം.
Tells Agni to encourage us human beings or scientists to approach Rudra based on knowledge, because Agni is acting in our mind and it is forcing us to think in such a way so that with the help of new science or through discovery we can utilize these Rudra. Rudra means atoms or materials that are made up from atom. So using this material that is available in the universe, we can use it to convert it in money value products, value added products, by which we can produce so many new things. So Agni should encourage it for doing such works, to encourage us to discover such things, such knowledge. Then only we can use that knowledge to produce new things with the available material in the universe. Now let us go through the 11th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 27-11 സനോ മഹാം അനിമാനോ ധൂമകേതു പുരുചന്ദ്രഃ ധിയേ വാജായ ഹിന്വദോ.
Agni with less fume will shine brightly. It will give us light. In the case of light, there is no fumes. So when the Agni becomes less fumes, then it will begin to shine like a light. And for that, it tells Agni to give us knowledge, such knowledge and intellectual property. All these are Agni is responsible for it. We are becoming intellectual due to the action of this Agni or energy in our mind. It initiates our brain to discover new things, to try to understand new things, based on which we can convert this Agni into uh, another form of energy without fumes or without smoke. Such an energy is light. Another form of such an energy is electromagnetic waves. In modern science, we are using electromagnetic waves for so many applications. Nowadays, it is the world of electromagnetism. Now let us go to, these are energy without any smoke. Now let us go to the 12th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദമണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 27-12. സരേവാമിവ വിശ്വതിർ ദൈവ്യാ കേതുശൃണോതു നഃ ഉക്തൈർ അഗ്നി ബൃഹദ്ഭാനുഃ.
Yes, Agni is the protector of all human beings. It is a friend of all the Devadas. Devada means hydrogen or oxygen, etc. Devadas. It is a friend of, Agni is a friend of hydrogen, oxygen, or all the material that is there in the universe, because it acts along with these materials and it will convert it into another form. So, it is a good friend of all the materials, all the Devadas in the universe. It gives us knowledge. Knowledge is also a creation of this. Knowledge itself is another form of energy. Knowledge is responsible for what all things that is taking place in this universe. So it is another form of energy. We can treat this, or Agni is responsible for producing, helping us to understand such knowledges or to discover such knowledges. We are using our energy, mental energy, to discover such new knowledge, to acquire such new knowledge. And based on this, we are getting so many suktas, suktas or knowledges that are there in these Vedic books or modern science. Modern science itself is a bundle of knowledges written in the form of sutra or sukta or stotra or anything like that. Now let us go through the 13th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 27-13. നമോ മഹദ്ഭ്യോ നമോ അർഭകേഭ്യോ നമോ യുവഭ്യോ നമ അശ്വിനേഭ്യഃ യജാമ ദേവാന്യദശത് നവാമമ ജായസഃ ശംസമാ പൃക്ഷിദേവാം.
We are giving, it says, all the knowledge person, all those are in the higher level, or there are in the lower level, or in the case of youths, in the case of elderly people, old age people, we are respecting all of them, because all of them are used this Agni to discover so many things, to do so many works, and due to which the progress in this universe is taken place. That means Agni is all the people, whether it is a rich people or a poor people, whether it is a higher educated people or a ignorant person, all of them are using this Agni. So we should respect them. At the same time, we should respect the elderly or the very knowledgeable people, because elder people always have more knowledge than the younger ones. And knowledge people are responsible for discovering new things. So we should respect elderly people and always, and at the same time, with those people with the very good knowledge, because through these people we are utilizing energy in different forms, different ways, based on different science principles to produce so many things which are resulted in the prosperity of our universe or our life.